In this video, Fitness Feast will give 5 reasons why supplements are important to us. Before going into top 5 reasons why supplements are important, we will explain what are supplements. Dietary supplements are substances you might use to add nutrients to your diet or to lower your risk of health problems. Dietary supplements come in the form of pills, capsules, powders, gel tabs, extracts, or liquids. They might contain vitamins, minerals, fiber, amino acids, herbs or other plants, or enzymes. Sometimes, the ingredients in dietary supplements are added to foods, including drinks. A doctor's prescription is not needed to buy dietary supplements. The number 5th reason why supplements are important is supplements can save your money. Consuming a heterogeneous diet full of highly nutritious 100% organically grown or raised foods is ideal, but it is not available in the vast majority of the world's markets. If we somehow get this, it becomes very difficult for everyone to afford it. So we take supplements which contains all the nutrients which a good diet contains, and we can get those nutrients in cheap prices. The number 4th reason for why supplements are important is they lower the impact of poor diet. Erratic eating habits, eating processed junk food, and stress contribute to poor digestion, making it difficult for our bodies to extract all the nutrients it needs from food. While supplementation cannot replace a poor diet, but it can help prevent the damage poor eating habits are causing. The number 3rd reason for why supplements are important is they are convenient to us. For example, if you are gaining weight and you are finding it difficult to complete your daily protein goal, you simply can drink protein shake to match your daily need. It becomes very easy and convenient with supplements for achieving your fitness goals. The 2nd reason for why supplements are important is they prevent expensive health issues. Taking daily supplements, getting regular exercise, and making frequent trips to the doctors are important for preventing costly health issues from arising in the future. Supplements contains different nutrients which help us to prevent different diseases which may occur in future. The number 1 reason for why supplements are important is they fill the nutritional gap. 90% of people don't get the recommended amount of important nutrients from food alone. Most of us fail to meet dietary recommendations due to strict dieting, poor appetite, or changing nutritional needs. Supplementation is intended to bridge the nutritional gap so that we maintain the proper balance of nutrients from food and supplementation. This will enhance the nutrient density of your diet and make sure you are obtaining the right amount of nutrients tailored to your dietary needs.